read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lesson is about number 11, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to count, identify and write the number 11. First of all, we will develop the sense of counting. Okay, how could we do? Keep 11 coins on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 10 and 1, 11. After that, visualize 10 rupee note and 1 coin. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 1, 11. Now for identification, show the flashcard of number 11. 11 roses. 11 roses. 11 roses stood in the sun. The sunlight made their petals glow. They were happy and bright in the garden. I hope so. You will teach the students same like this. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.